Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to do supervised image classification in ArcGIS. And first of all, we need to know what is supervised image classification is. It's a procedure for identifying spectrally similar areas on an image by identifying training sites or training samples of known targets and then extrapolating those spectral signatures to other areas of unknown targets. So here in ArcMap, we need to composite bands of the satellite image we downloaded and use extract by mask to mask our study area, and the band combination should be in natural color, which means red should be 4, green 3, and blue 2. It shows us the map that we can see by using our eyes what these spatial objects mean in reality. After that, we should go to image classification toolbar. Here, first of all, we need to select our image layer, and here in this button we can see 4 types of drawing tools available, and by choosing one of them we can begin creating training samples on the image display. For example, I can select Polygon tool, and to draw a training sample I can zoom in on the image, and let's start collecting training samples of water body, and I can create a kind of polygon like this. It's highly advisable that our number of pixels in each training sample should not be too small nor too large. If the training sample is too small, it may not provide enough information to adequately create the class signature. And if the training sample is too large, we can include pixels that are not part of that class. And after finishing collecting training samples for each class, we can go to Training Sample Manager tool, and here we can see different polygon shapes for water body, and we can merge them by using this tool, merge tool, and we can see here the class is given with the default name, value, and color, and optionally we can change them. Let's say water and value 1 and color dark blue, and then we can collect for another class by repeating the process again. For example, for urban area, by using this polygon tool, we can again create polygon shapes for urban features. Here we can also see urban areas, and after that we can go to Training Sample Manager to merge them and name urban area. Put 2 for the value, and the color can be in a red color, and we can do the same process for bare land, low vegetation, green vegetation as well. After gathering training samples for each land use type class, you should check the correctness of your training samples. By doing this, you should go to either histogram, graph, or scatter plots, or SAM. In SAM you can get statistics of each class, and for example, by selecting a few classes, for example water and health vegetation, and if you go to histograms graph, you can see here they do not overlap each other. And if we go to scatter plots, we can see here they do not overlap too. And if we go to SAM statistics option, we can see here minimum maximum values of water, and here for health vegetation that the values are not the same for these classes. It means that our training samples have been created to show the class separately from one to another. So it means that we can satisfy our results or work, and after that we can save our training samples here by pressing on the create signature file. And after that we should go to classification button and select interactive supervised classification. And here is our output, and here we can see our water, greenness, health vegetation. Here we can see urban area. Here we can see bare land, low vegetation as well, and so on. And now you have learned how to do supervised image classification in ArcMap. I think you have learned so much of it, and if you like the video, press like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for attention.